We're wasting away here, Snow!
Just pick one.
The moon cycle is telling me sushi. But Mercury is rising, so does pizza make more sense? None of this makes sense!
Hunger.
Deliberation time is over. Since we can't agree on takeout, we'll have to cook again. Then, at the end of the week, we'll all vote for and crown the Chef Supreme. Whoever wins will be in charge of deciding on all future takeout. Forever.
Ooh!
Chef Supreme! My dish is 100% organic. All sourced from our very own backyard.
Grab your utensils. Extra fresh dinner is served. Bon appetit.
Be free. So, just tell Cooktronic McSpatulon your favorite meal, and in a matter of seconds your bespoke dinner shall be served.
A Michelin star tuna sashimi with a ginger lime dressing.
Atlas's tuna sash with Michelin the ginger lime.
It appears Cooktronic McSpatulon might be in need of a few updates. When's the ETA on dinner, Springer?
5 minutes, guys! Help me, Cooktronic McSpatulon! I said help me, not kelp me! I call it the block of mystery.
Huh? Ugh, inedible.
Incredible?
No, inedible. As in, we can't eat this. Maybe this got a little out of hand.
Let's just order takeout.
But what to choose?
We're wasting away here, Snow!